First, we need to find the radio serial number. In my case, I had to remove the radio to get it. You can easily find the serial number on the sticker at the back. Mine is M056762. Now that we have identified the radio's serial number, let's move on to the next step. I'm going to show you a completely free online generator that works perfectly for all Ford models. All you need to do is open this generator, enter your serial number right here in the box, click generate, and there is our unlock code. And finally, after putting the radio back into the car, it's time to enter the code. In my case, the unlock code is 5953. That's it. If you need to unlock your own radio, just visit the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.